Rise and shine this time. Today we're doing a quick breakfast hack. What we're going to do is a quick breakfast hack that you can actually use your microwave for. That to make this work, we do have to have some leftover pre-cooked bacon. See, this recipe is real easy. Put 2 eggs in a bowl. Get a fork. Beat those up. We're going to take 1/4 cup of cottage cheese. Kind of mix that in. I know it's going to look kind of lumpy and kind of funny, but it's going to work out. We're going to put in some of that bacon. Leave just a little bit of bacon to put on top. And then we're also going to take about 1/4 cup of cheese there. And then we're going to go ahead and take it. We're going to put it in the microwave. Put that for a minute. And we'll be back in a minute. As you can see, after about a minute, it's still kind of like that. It's still kind of soupy, so you got to good mix that around. Now what we're going to do is we're going to put it back in. So we're going to put it back in for a 30-second burst. We're going to take it out after 30 seconds. We're going to stir it. Then we're going to do it again and again. Usually this takes about 2.5 to 3 minutes. That way if you're in a hurry in the morning, like we all usually are in the morning, you can make this in a mug, you can make this in a cup, you can make it whatever, and then take it to go. And you can see after about a minute and 30 seconds there, it's starting to thicken up a little bit. Put it back in. This will be a total of about 2 minutes. And as you can see there, it's really starting to thicken up, but I like to cook it just for another 30 seconds. This is all in your preference. Some people would say that's good enough. I like to cook it just a tiny bit more. Okay, after that, see that? You see that? I think that's nice and set up. What I like to do is I top it with additional bacon. Put in some cheese. And kind of mix it around. And then that's how you make a quick breakfast. And we'll let the bowl cool off for just a minute. But now when I stir it, it's a little omelet in a cup. It's perfect for... That's really good, actually. It's fast, it's easy, and it makes a perfect little omelet in either a cup or bowl. You can take it with you if you eat something. If you like this video, like and subscribe down below. And if you have any breakfast hacks in the microwave, just let me know. But if not, like and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.